Attracting positive relationships into your life. As we travel through our life's journey, many relationships will come into our lives. Some of them will be wonderful and long-lasting, others, unfortunately, may be short-term or unhappy. Do you tend to attract more negative relationships than positive? Though we strive to develop good, solid, and happy relationships, it seems we sometimes end up with exactly the opposite. Wouldn't you love to attract more positive relationships? The good news is, you can. Try some of these simple tips to enjoy more positive relationships in your life. Be patient. Wonderful relationships don't occur overnight. They take time to nurture and develop into something that's long-lasting. To allow these relationships into your life, you must have the patience to let them grow. When you begin a relationship that you perceive as being a positive one, don't rush it. You may be very pleased to see what develops down the road. Believe that you're deserving of it. Be positive and avoid negative feelings or perceptions about yourself. Know that you deserve to have happy and stable relationships in your life. If you begin to think negatively, you must turn these negative thoughts around immediately. Clear your mind and regain your self-confidence. Remember, positive attracts positive. When you think positive thoughts, you'll be rewarded with positive results. You'll ultimately attract positive relationships into your life with the positive energy you're giving off to others. So be a good example of the friend or partner you look to attract. Be true to yourself and others. If you're not true to yourself, whether you believe it or not, others will sense this. Don't try to be something that you're not. This is a negative way of portraying yourself to others. As mentioned before, positive attracts positive, but negative attracts negative as well. Show others your true self, including your flaws. They'll appreciate your open and willing heart and be able to form a strong bond with you more easily. Be genuine to others and allow them to see your true feelings and personality. Trying too hard to act like someone else could lead to embarrassment for you. Don't take relationships for granted. Remember to always give thanks for the valuable relationships in your life. They may not be as numerous as you'd like, but rather than complaining, be thankful for the ones you have now and have had in the past. By professing your gratitude genuinely, you'll have an easier time attracting future positive relationships. Be honest. If you're in a negative relationship right now, that will tend to keep positive relationships from coming into your life. Be honest with yourself and others. Make a conscious decision to either improve that relationship or end it. Honesty will pave the way for more positive, trusting relationships to enter your life. As the old saying goes, nothing worth having in life comes easily. Attracting positive relationships, and weeding out the negative ones, may not be an easy task, but it'll make for a better and more fulfilling life. Thanks for watching our video. Please leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Be good to yourself, and stay healthy.